What is up, guys? How you guys doing? We're back with some more Flee the Facility after a month of not uploading one Flee the Facilities video. And guys, if you see this cat on my shoulder, his name is Blizzard. He's gonna be the mascot for the channel, and put some love into him. So please drop a like, or he will die. He will die, guys. So please drop a like, or he will die. Right, Blizzard? You don't want to die. Anyways, guys, after a month of not playing Flee the Facility, we are back with some more. So yeah, guys. And for after a long time, it's laggy. Okay, after a long time, bro, they actually uploaded. I mean, no, not uploaded. I'm talking. They actually updated it, and they actually look. Let me go through here. Guys, also comment down below if you like being the hunter most. I mean, not the hunter, the beast most, or the survivor most. I would go for survivor because the beast, it's kind of boring. All you gotta do is find the person, put him in the circle thing, and kill him basically. So it's not that much. It's not that fun when you're a beast. Come on. Okay. And I'm out of here. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye. Close the door on your face. She don't know. Why? Leave me alone. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Yes, computer. And guys, look. Wait, what? I thought they updated it. What? No, really? They didn't update it? No, I thought they updated it. Oh, I was not paying attention. Whoops. They're supposed to have keyboards and mouses. I think that's not on this map, though. I think that's only in the... I don't know what map it is. But yeah, guys. Can we do this, guys? Nobody knows. And also, guys, subscribe, like the video, and hit the post notifications. That's all notifications. And see my videos, guys. And I do promo code videos. I did do some. I don't know if some are still active though. So go see my videos with promo codes, and I also do codes for video like games on Roblox. Like I did mining simulator codes. Go check that video out. And so yeah, guys, subscribe to my channel. Okay, we're almost done. It's just me and Princess Bunny. One person already left. Wow, of course. Why does this always happen to me? That always happens to me. Whew. Oh my goodness, are you serious? Okay. Woo! Open the door. Open the door. Please open the door. Okay, that one. I'm sure Princess Bunny did that one. We need 2 more computers left. How do I get out of this place again? Oh, I can climb. Okay, the exit's right there. I need to remember. Anyways, the icon pops up. We were there already. I was here already. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oops, wrong button. Oh, nope. Do not want to go in there, guys. No. I'm coming. I want to go over there. Wherever that is. Where's that at? Come on, Princess Bunny. Oh, you already finished it. Okay. Princess Bunny, where'd you go? Close the door! Oh my goodness! Oh, oh my god! No! That actually scared me. Oh no, she saw me go up here. Hi, psych! Open the door. No, no. Close! No! 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 No, run away. Just run away. Pressing W. I'm pressing W. No. No, please. Blizzard, do something. Bite her. Bite her, Blizzard. Ah. Ha, you can't even go in the window. You don't even know where to go. Come on, I'm almost there. 3, 2, 1. Run for your life. Don't you dare get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Why do you abuse me? Oh, okay. Yes. Distraction. Thank you. Ah! Why did I jump towards her? No. Jump the other way. Yes. Keep jumping. No! Leave me alone. Your sacrifice will not be forgotten. Hot psych. Leave me alone. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Goodness. Okay, guys. We escaped. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my God. I keep pressing the wrong button. Stop it. Hello. Where's the last computer at? I already did that one. I did that one. Go down here. Go down there, please. Okay. Just chill. Chill. Whew. Where's the last computer? Why? Is it in here? Please say it's in here. Bro, where's the last computer? Please. Oh my goodness. How did it even get in here? Okay. Where is the last computer? Okay, guys. I'm gonna go down. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck right now. Is the computer in here though? Bro, are you actually? Bro, I hate when this happens. I'm about to scream so loud. Finally, I got out. But seriously, where's the last computer? I finally got out of that thing. But where's the last computer? I haven't heard from the beast yet, which I'm happy about. Is it in here? Nope. Bro, actually, where's the last computer? Okay, nice. Found it. Yes! Yes! So much people in the game now. Just keep tippity tapping. Tip, tippity tip. Boop, boop, boop. Tippity tap. So easy. Look at my beautiful eyes, guys. Look at Blizzard's beautiful eyes. Okay. Let's keep tippity tapping, you know? I'm gonna keep saying that because that's the only thing that will entertain me. Last computer and we can get out of here, guys. Blizzard, we can do this, Blizzard. Sorry for slapping you in the face. Bro. Nice hat, Blizzard. I really want that hat, bro. We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. Oh no, Princess Bunny. Should I save her, guys? I don't want to though. I don't know. The beast is near. I'm coming, Princess Bunny. And if I get captured, oh, she's there. She's camping. Oh, she got slapped. Well, I saved you. It's your problem. I'm out of here. Ah, bro, I don't really want to save her though. The beast is camping right there. I know you're there, bro. Guys, should I save her? Where is that beast? No. Okay, no. Too bad. Sorry, Princess Bunny. I'm out of here. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Princess Bunny. I still need to find the exit. I still need to open the exit. Okay, too bad, Princess Bunny. I still need to open this. I still need to open this. I'm sorry. Please don't hate me. Whee! I'm free. Yes. I'm sorry, Princess Bunny. I'm gonna say sorry. Okay, I'm gonna say I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Get out of my face. I'm so sorry, Princess Bunny. Is she still in the game? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Princess Bunny. It's too bad. So sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so worried. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. I surely did enjoy. Let's see what I get. Oh, I get to stop it whenever I want. Stop. Boo! I hate this already. I don't care. I'm gonna equip it. It looks nice, pretty neat. I really wanted a blue one, kind of. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit the post notifications. That's all notifications. I'm talking way too fast. I'm sorry. Ooh. And I'll see you guys later. And I might be making another video this afternoon. Maybe I'm gonna upload it at 2. What time is it? Okay, I'm gonna upload this video right now. So I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Goodbye.